Hi, this is Josiah with Team Ford DFW Realtors. Thank you for taking a look at our latest listing on 8133 Belgian Blue Court in Fort Worth, Texas. The home is being offered at $341,500 and features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, just under 3,000 square feet, built in 2017, with a game room upstairs, a large covered patio, and an extra large garage. The home has pre-wiring for surround sound, new vinyl floors, and new carpet. The neighborhood features 2 pools, walking trails, dog parks, and playgrounds. And it's in the sought-after school district of Keller ISD. Take a look at our pictures and listen to the beautiful music. Thank you for looking at our beautiful pictures. For showings, contact me directly at 214-425-3525 or shoot me an email at jford@teamforddfw.com. If you are not interested in a physical tour at this time, follow the link and you can see our virtual tour as if you were inside the home today.